my channel. Today I'm super excited to be showing you my vegan pantry. We just redid the whole thing and now everything is in organized, labeled jars. I'm super excited about it. I feel like having an organized pantry is so helpful if you want to know exactly what you have, how much you need even. It's so much more organized and you really get a feel for what you have and what you need to buy at the bulk store. You guys have been really wanting to see a full pantry tour, so I'm really happy to bring that to you guys today. So let's get right into the tour. Starting with the first shelf and showing you guys everything that's on it, and then we'll move up to the second and third shelves. On the far right, we have quick oats, which are labeled in this nice jar. I like how big the wide top is. It really helps for scooping. Chia seeds, lots of chia seeds for chia pudding and things. Oats, really awesome for making oat flour or oatmeal. I have a ton of recipes on overnight oats and things. Unbleached flour, as you can see, we definitely need some, and putting it in a big jar like this really helps you see what you need, so I think it's really helpful. Right here we have some cassava flour in a smaller jar because I don't use that as much. Whole wheat flour, we definitely seem to be pretty good on that. Some almond flour, which we need to refill. I just got some from the bulk store and haven't put it in yet. We have some chickpea flour, some spelt flour, and some brown rice flour. And then back here we have some agar powder, which is a vegan like gelatin kind of thing. Dark rye flour and Bob's Red Mill gluten-free all-purpose flour. And then back here we have some buckwheat flour and coconut flour. And all of these flours right here are really great for substituting regular flour in pancakes or waffles. I like using brown rice flour for like a base for gravy, all sorts of things. And then right here we have tapioca flour, which is great if you're mixing these two flours together to make like a flour substitute that doesn't have any wheat in it or gluten. We're going to move up to the second shelf. I might need to get a chair because I'm a little short, but that's no problem. So up here, starting on the far right again, we have some polenta and corn flour. Those things I rarely use, so that's why they're up here on the second shelf. Then we have a lot of pink rock salt, some oat flour, which I definitely need to make, a lot of maca powder. We have two different kinds in here, that's why there's two different colors. Some brown sugar, which I probably need to refill. This is not in a jar because there isn't a lot in here, but that's just baking powder. And then right here we have some baking soda in a nice largemouth jar, which I really like. Coconut sugar, which obviously is a must. Sprouted spelt flour, which is another good substitute in pancakes or waffles. Powdered sugar, which I definitely do not need to refill soon. This was some chocolate chips, definitely need some more of those. This is organic dried cane sugar. This one is cocoa powder, so for brownies or hot chocolate, things like that. Raisins, we have a lot of those. This is a different kind of chocolate chip back here. And then we have some cacao powder. The third shelf is very minimal and we don't have a lot going on up there at the moment. So up here we have some amaranth. It's a grain. I like to put it in my granola. Some bucchinis, some kosher salt, and then we have some white sesame seeds, poppy seeds, goji berries, popcorn, some raw sunflower seeds, which are great in my granola bars, and then some black sesame seeds. And I kind of forgot to mention, we have one of these little scoopy things over here all the time, just so we don't have to keep bringing measuring cups back here if we just need a little bit of oats or something like that. So this stays pretty much back here all the time, and it's super helpful if you just need to scoop a few oats for overnight oats or something. So overview again, and I have my little helper here. Stanley loves this spot in the house, apparently. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any more video recommendations or requests, make sure to leave them in the comments down below so I can see them, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.